nilivaa sare hizi zenu kwa sababu tatu. Jinsi nimevaa sare hizi ni kwa sababu napenda mambo ya masomo. Jambo la pili, nimevaa sare hizi kwa sababu elimu ndio ambayo inamweka mtoto wa maskini na mtoto wa tajiri kuwa sawa. Tatu, nisingetia bidii kwenye masomo, singalikuwa seneta jinsi nilivyo. Wasichana, mnanisikia? Kwa hivyo ningependa kuwasihi kwa kifupi, tia bidii kwenye yale masomo ambayo mnafunzwa na walimu wenu. Najua wazazi ambao wameketi pale wamejitolea kuwatuma ili mje hapa kwenye masomo. Msiweze kuwa disappoint girls. Mumesikia hiyo? Kwa hivyo nikimalizia, niliona mumezindua kitabu hapa cha mambo ya leadership. Nikiwa shuleni hata mimi I was a student leader. So you are actually following the right trajectory. But you can only succeed if you trust in God, work hard, and then don't allow distractions. What do I mean by distractions? Actually attempting to be parents. You can ask your parents what they are going through by having you in school. It's not easy. You can interact with your boy counterparts, but please be careful not to get into early teenage pregnancies, because then you're not going to be having an opportunity to advance your academics. Do you hear me, girls? What other name do you call Kereri girls? Kenya High School then was called the Bomerians. What do you call yourselves? Wow, and who are your brother school? So now allow me to conclude. Naona mkorada kabisa. So finally, I have a program by the name Nyaituga Foundation, whereby I donate books to improve the reading culture of our students, called Mchakato wa Usomi. Because I'll not give you books today, I'll have a chance to purchase some of the books you guys have authored, so that we can share with other students who are disadvantaged. What do you feel about that? Wow, you should say wow. Finally, to the teaching fraternity. I have a lot of respect to the teachers. For the work you put, I'm a product of the teaching fraternity, and I want to be very grateful for the work you do. In Parliament, I make necessary noise to do with your business, your welfare, and all your social aspects. To the parents, I want to request you to pray with us. Whatever efforts you put to bring your children to school will not go in vain. That I assure you, because part of what we do as leaders is mentorship. I personally do mentorship because I'm a homegrown example of taking girls to school. While the conversation on girls has been overemphasized, I also want to say we are not leaving the boys behind.